Hi guys, for today's video, we make chicken afritada Filipino food. So, we need chicken cut in cubes, vegetables, carrots, potato, green bell pepper. And first tip guys is I fry the butter. Now I fry the garlic. I did not use cooking cream today. I use butter, 3 spoons of butter. Look, 3 spoons of butter, and it becomes brown. I follow the onion and follow the chicken cut in cubes. The chicken is white, no more blood, so I put seasoning. Only this black pepper powder. 1/4 spoon of black pepper powder, then salt, a small amount of salt, then we mix it. Then I follow the carrots and put hot water. And cover it. We follow the potato. We follow the potato for our afritada.
Baliktad mo yung camera niya.
And wait until it's boiled and the chicken is smooth together. So I cover it already 1 hour, our afritada chicken. So we put this green bell pepper. And we put a small amount of tomato paste. Then we put salt. Small amount of salt. And we mix it. We cover, and after we mix it, we cover after 10 minutes. Look, already done our afritada, chicken afritada. That's our finished product. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.